Alright, hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining me, thank you for clicking on that yeah. And in case you're wondering why I'm not, or my makeup is not done, it's because I'm about to finish my makeup on camera for you. If you haven't watched my makeup haul in the previous video, you guys want to go and watch that, because all of the products that I used, well, most of them from the PS collections range, all the products that I got, I'm going to be now trying out on my face, and we're gonna put these bad boys to the test. Like, we cannot wait. So if you watched my previous wait, I'm going to prime my eyes. Okay. Okay, so if you watched my previous video, you would have seen this, and if you want to see the swatches on this palette, just go right back to the makeup haul, because I did do swatches on the products that I am using. And if you want to see how they are, how they work, because I'm not going to use all of the shades today, I'm just going to use like a few of them. Okay, so I saw Nikki tutorials when I was looking at this palette. I was like, oh my gosh, let me just put more lip gloss on. I kind of feel like I'm fading away. Ugh. Let me put more lip gloss on. Okay, let's do this. Like, I'm not a lip gloss fan, but like, guys, lately all the tutorials that I've been watching, they use lip gloss, and I was like, let me give it a try. And also, like, I don't think I want to do it all around my lip, because this lip gloss is just messy. And what you want to do is you can bring your lip gloss right up to that point, and it's going to make your lips look bigger. So that's what you can do. Okay, so I'm going to be trying this palette. I'm not going to use all of them, like I said. I was watching Nikki tutorials. I was looking at this palette because, like, I never rehearse looks that I'm going to do. I just come on camera and I'm like, okay, I like this look, let me do it. So I had no idea what I'm going to do with this look, but I have lots of looks in mind for the future. But for today, I was watching Nikki tutorials natural summer glow look, and I really loved what she did. So I kind of took inspiration from that video as to what I want to do. When I saw this beach blonde color, I was like, yes. Okay, so to start off, we are going to go in with Summer Solace from this palette. We're going in with Summer Solace, which is this beautiful reddish orangish, mostly orangish, burnt orangish shade, and we're gonna put that on our lid. But before we do that, let's prime our lid, shall we? Like, what is wrong with you today, girl? And to prime the lid, I'm going in with the Essence Camouflage Makeup and Concealer. It's a 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I'm going to put this over my lid. And if you watch my videos of recent, I love using this product on my lid because it really does bring out the pigmentation of your shadows. It really just makes everything pop. This ever so slightly. Okay, so I'm keeping my eye closed because I don't want it to crease, because we're not setting that with powder, and you guys will see how by doing that, it just makes look, it just makes the eyeshadow boom, give it bada boom, and everything pops. Like, are you serious, honey? Okay, and let's just kind of pull it out a little bit. Yeah, that's exactly what we want to happen. And going in with our blending brush, this is the one from Essence. Let us just blend this bad boy out. Okay, not forgetting that one over there. I just cleansed some of the product off, and again, I'm just going to, remember, this is pigmented. I just covered my my eyelid and went up. I did not put like pack it on and pack it on and pack it on, because we don't want it to be too heavy. I think this is kind of bright enough, and let's just swoop it out. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with now I'm gonna go in with Wood Nymph, which is this shade right over here, and I'm gonna put that on my lid, but again, not taking it past my crease. And again, we really, and let me try to use my finger because I think this brush has a bit of green in it. She's making me look muddy. We're just gonna put this on the bottom of our lids. Like that on my blending brush. I'm not exactly happy with that shade, but I'm happy with it. Just to blend it out. I'm picking up some more of that summer solstice and just blending this out. Like, I kind of wish I had just used that summer solstice alone, because like, okay, let me just swoop it over this. Yeah. So now we're going in with, is it Beach Blonde? We're going in with Beach Blonde, and we're gonna pack it all the way down over our lids. Oh yes. Oh, Beach Blonde, you are my thing. You are really my thing. Oh, honey. We're just gonna bring it in the center of the lid, taking it out, but not too much. And oh. Doing that. Okay, I think what I actually want to do is I want to go in with a little bit of the highlighting drop as well, just to make it pop. I think it's going to pop like more. I'm just going to put it on my hand, and I'm going to kind of dip into it with my brush, and I'm going to put that like there, and we're going to take it all the way up. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh yes, it's just doing what I wanted it to do. Oh my gosh, like, wowza. Okay, let's blend it out as we go along. We will take more eyeshadow just to blend everything in some more. And then we're gonna take it up all the way up to our brow and bring it out. Like, oh my gosh. How pretty is that? Oh, we are glowing, honey. We are glowing. Let's take a little bit more. Just put it over there. This is so beautiful. Okay, so now let's go in with Beach Blonde, and it's just gonna make it pop even more, because this is the eyeshadow. Like, oh my gosh. But try not to take it over the edges of where you went, just so that we can blend it in nicely later on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo! So let's take a little bit more of that summer solstice and just kind of blend here. Oh my gosh, just kind of tap it like around the edges, especially over here. Oh my gosh, like, okay, I'm gonna do my other eye off camera really quickly, and we shall continue. This look would really look nice with some eyelashes. It would really just bring the whole entire look together, but I'm not in a mood for lashes. I promise you. You might think it looks crazy at this point, but I promise you, once you put on lashes, it's just gonna pop. I don't know, maybe I will put lashes on. We'll see. Yeah. So this is from Revlon. So what I'm going to do, we're going to continue the rest of the look, and then I'll put some lashes on so you guys can see the full effect. Let me not rob you of that. Yeah. So now I'm going to go in with let's do the contouring stick shade first. Which side did I want to use? The warmer side. So, okay. We are now going in with our contour. As you can see, it draws on a lot. Like, oh my gosh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to blend that out. Like, seriously. Wow. So I'm gonna take this brush and I'm worried it's gonna move my product. No. No. It's not the brush's fault. I'm gonna have to like be rough with it. It is gonna move my product, which I'm quite annoyed because I have to blend it out. Oh no, it doesn't blend very nicely, and this is just gonna move my product, the foundation that I have underneath this. Oh my gosh. Oh, what can I do? Yeah, there's nothing I can do about that. Just take it up slightly. The good thing is I'm not going to have to clean up because it literally stayed in one spot. Oh, hell no. Just take whatever product is left and put it on my drawer. I mean, it's nice. It gives a nice finish, but no. It doesn't blend very nicely. Okay, so let us highlight that face. Okay, yeah, this is a lot more creamier. Maybe I just needed to play with the product a bit more, I don't know. But definitely this is a lot more creamier. And it's the perfect shade for me. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is gonna get finished in no time, I can tell. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray this sponge with some eyeshadow. No. Let me put my. I'm just gonna spray it just because it's much more cream, but it's not 100% the way I'd like it to be. But it's really nice and really smooth. The pigmentation is good. So yeah, I'm not gonna complain. Okay, that is yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm more impressed with this one. I'm more impressed. Okay, so as you guys can see, the lashes really make the look pop some more. I went in with the highlighting stick. As you can see, it's not as highlighting as this one is. I went in with it slightly, as you can see. That is how it looks. It is very nice and very subtle, which I like. But I kind of feel if you had to put some of the liquid drops over that, it would really, really look nice. But if you're going for a more natural look, then this will be really nice. Again, it's not creamy enough, so it will move over a little bit of your product. So make sure you're gentle when putting that stick on. Go ahead and say hello to people.
Oh, hey to the people.
To my sister, y'all. Okay, there was one that was in Spain. Okay, so this is a wrap for this tutorial, you guys. As you can see, I really, really look amazing. Okay, y'all. That's a wrap. Until my next video, guys, I will see you. Make sure to tune in for the rest of the video where we will be doing the review on the micellar water. But until next time, goodbye, darlings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all of that.